The common nighthawk is a fascinating bird that is best known for its unusual and memorable call. You will usually hear this bird during the early evening or at dawn, especially in summer, when it becomes more active and vocal. Its main call is loud, sharp, and nasal peanut sound, often repeated every few seconds. This call is made while the bird is flying in the sky, searching for insects to eat. The sound might remind you of a busy beep or a short honk, and it can carry quite far, especially in open areas. Let's listen to the call first and identify the call of common nighthawk. Apart from the peanut call, male common nighthawks make a special booming sound during their mating display. This is not a vocal sound, but it is made with wings as they dive sharply through the air. As the air rushes through their feathers, it creates a deep whooshing boom noise that's often surprising to hear. This behavior is used to attract females and to show off their flying skills. So if you are outside at sunset and hear both a nasal peanut and a sudden low boom, it's very likely that a common nighthawk is nearby performing its evening show. The common nighthawk call is a helpful way to identify this bird, especially since it can be hard to see. These birds have excellent camouflage, and often blend into their surroundings when they are resting during the day. But their distinctive peanut call gives them away when they start flying around at dusk. You might hear them in open fields, city rooftops, parking lots, or even in the countryside. Bird watchers and nature lovers often look forward to this sound as a clear sign that summer's evenings have arrived. If you are trying to learn more about bird sounds or want to identify birds by ear, recognizing the common nighthawk call is a great skill. Its call is very different from most other birds, which make it easier to remember. Plus, listening to this bird is a special experience. It feels like nature is performing just for you under the fading light of the evening sky. The common nighthawk has long pointed wings, a small beak, and it is known for its erratic bat-like flight as it catches insects in midair. Though called a hawk, it's actually part of the nightjar family. It blends into its surrounding during the day thanks to its molted brown and grey feathers, making it hard to spot while resting. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.